Vietnam's northern coast, amid thousands of limestone karsts jutting out from the sea, is Halong Bay. This gorgeous region of Vietnam, along with the less frequently visited Lan Ha Bay further south, is truly a remarkable sight to behold. Thanks to Ocean Tours, the company that organized this trip, I recently cruised through this region and had a blast partying and learning about this area that thousands of fishermen call their home. And oh yeah, did I mention that we got to stay on our own private island? It was truly an unforgettable experience. And now, I want to show you some of the fun I got into while on this awesome trip.
So the fishing village is named Viet Hai, and they have houses on the mainland or on this big island, and they stay here for, like, they can go back home for 2 or 3 months a year. They separate the time. Each time they go back home for a week or a couple of days to sell their fishes that were raised here, and or visit their relatives. They catch fishes and then they raise them here. When they're big enough, they just go to the mainland or go to the Cat Pa Island, the main island, and sell the fishes there. And it's believed for each house, it's good to have an animal, for example a dog or a cat, but it was believed it's very bad luck to having a cat, because well, cats hate water. My father used to tell me that ghosts are afraid of cats and dogs and on a floating house, so it's good to have a dog.
Is this like an emergency? What's up, folks? Kevin Cook here, and I'm coming at you live from Cat Ong Island here. This is a private island. I'm here with only a few people, far away from all the touristy areas, and really, it's very beautiful. You can see for yourself. I mean, there's nobody else here. They've got their own private complex here with bungalows, and there's going to be some parties this evening, and it should be a lot of fun. Folks, woke up at my bungalow here on Cat Ong Island, feeling great. I'm about to go enjoy a buffet breakfast by the beach, get some coffee, and get ready because we're about to go on a trek through the jungle up to a viewpoint here. So, let's go.